Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel and Power BI. In this video, I want to answer a question that someone asked me. They've used Power Query for its intended purpose, that is to clean up their data set, really quickly and easily. But now that they've done it, they didn't want to maintain the connection to Power Query. In other words, this was kind of like a one-time cleanup task. They didn't need to remember the steps. They didn't need to be able to refresh the data. They just wanted their static data. So how do you accomplish that? The process is very simple. All you do is come over here to your Queries and Connections panel, right-click on the query, and then click delete and click delete again, and that's it. Now you have your static data. All of your steps have been erased, and you no longer have any connection to an original data set. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know how you're going to use this tip. As always, thank you for watching.